Deep within the frozen expanse of our solar system lies Pluto, and etched across its surface is a vast, heart-shaped region unlike anything else we've ever seen. Today, we're diving into the mystery of Pluto's heart, what it is, how it formed, and why it continues to baffle scientists. Understanding this feature unlocks clues about Pluto's surprisingly dynamic past and its unique geological history. We'll explore the geological features within this heart, discuss the surprising youth of this region compared to Pluto's age, and uncover the leading theories attempting to explain its formation. Prepare to be amazed by the unexpected activity on this distant dwarf planet. The heart, formerly named Tombaugh Regio after Pluto's discoverer Clyde Tombaugh, is actually composed of two distinct regions, Sputnik Planitia, the western, smoother lobe, and a more rugged, cratered eastern lobe. Sputnik Planitia is a vast plain of nitrogen ice, constantly convecting, meaning it slowly churns and mixes, much like a pot of boiling water. This convection is driven by heat from Pluto's interior, a surprising discovery for such a small, icy world. What's truly remarkable is the relative lack of craters on Sputnik Planitia. Most surfaces in the solar system are heavily cratered, a testament to billions of years of impacts. Yet, Sputnik Planitia is remarkably smooth and young, estimated to be only 10 million years old, a mere blink of an eye compared to Pluto's 4.6 billion year age. This suggests a recent and ongoing resurfacing process, defying expectations for a world so far from the Sun. The leading theory involves a massive impact early in Pluto's history. This impact would have fractured Pluto's crust, allowing nitrogen ice from the interior to well up and fill the depression, creating Sputnik Planitia. But here's the surprising part. The convection we observe today suggests this ice isn't just sitting there, it's actively circulating. We still don't fully understand how this convection is sustained for so long, or what triggers the resurfacing events. Could there be pockets of liquid water deep beneath the ice, driving the process? We'll explore that possibility in a future video. The mystery of Pluto's heart reveals a world far more dynamic and geologically active than we initially imagined. This giant ice plain, its youthful surface, and ongoing convection demonstrate that even small, distant worlds can harbor surprising secrets and complex processes. It challenges our understanding of planetary evolution and highlights the importance of continued exploration. So, Pluto's heart isn't just a pretty picture, it's a window into a fascinating and ongoing geological story. If you found this exploration of Pluto's heart captivating, give this video a like, leave a comment sharing